Hello everyone, this is me Rahul and let's get started with the Hindu analysis dated 22nd October 2020. And you must be knowing about this thing that we are covering the Hindu on daily basis for your public administration optional. So we are doing this thing, and the magazine for the public administration current affair is there, and the link of the same is given in the description box. If you have not downloaded it yet, you can download it, because it is the first initiative on this platform, or you can say in the UPSC journey. This is the first initiative for your public administration optional current affair magazine. Linking and all the aspects are there. So let's get started with the Hindu of dated this 22nd October. So if you just scroll down, let me scroll down over here, and the important news article that you need to remember and that you need to read from today's The Hindu for PubEd optional is this only: e-prison module in all district courts by Jain DLSA tells this high court. Okay, so here the thing is that you have to be thorough with the e-prison module, because this is something that will fall under the public administration optional paper 2, and in that you will find this chapter, or you can say the unit, law and order administration. Under law and order administration you will find criminal justice system, and criminal justice system consists of prison, it consists of jail, it consists of the kind of, you can say, the kind of police machinery and all. So in that context, this is very important for you to understand this e-prison. And kindly let me tell you this thing as well, that when it comes to prison reforms, there is a dedicated video on my YouTube channel. What you can do, you can type prison reforms for public administration, okay, or you can simply write prison reforms by Rahul. Whatever you can search, you will find that particular dedicated video on my channel, where you will get that how can you link prison reforms with Woodrow Wilson, how can you link prison reforms with different behavioral thinker of your public administration optional. In that way you can write good answer in your examination. Okay, so we are not going to discuss about the prison reforms. Okay, you can search that particular video on my YouTube channel. This is the first thing that you need to understand, okay, because we are not going into that again and again. So you can just watch that video, and if you don't like to watch the video, you can wait for the October edition of the public administration magazine. I will cover that thing again in the form of this diagram and all, so that you can understand. Okay, so these are two options in front of you when it comes to prison reforms. Okay, so now let's try to understand what is this e-prison module in detailed manner. Okay, so let's go to the website, the official thing. I love to do the official thing. So here you can see, one second guys. Okay, so we are here at National Prison Information Portal of Government of India, you can say. Okay, so here on this National Prison Information Portal, if you just try to read out the things, what is this National Prison Information Portal is all about, what it is saying over here. Okay, so this is all about NPIP. So the scope of the project is to computerize and integrate all the activities related to prison and prison management. So here it is talking about the information with respect to how to computerize. Okay, you can just understand the digitalization of the prison aspect. Digitalization of prison include all the aspect. For example, let me just and give you the perspective. Okay, so when we are talking about e-prison, so it basically includes all the things with respect to judiciary and prison. Okay, there is a kind of link between judiciary and prison. You must be knowing about the process of under trial, the process of conviction. Okay, in that particular under trial, when under trial have to, you can say, present, have to be there in the court, and the process is going on. So there is a kind of relation between judiciary and prison. Okay, that relation will came into picture when it comes to bail. That relation will came into picture when it comes to remand. Okay, you must be knowing about these things: police remand, judicial remand. Okay, remand is of two type: police remand, judicial remand. Okay, bail is there. Okay, and these are the relations, these are the things where this, you can say, e-prison module will came into picture. E-prison module is nothing but the but it will facilitate this relation between prison and judiciary. And mind this thing, prison and judiciary are the important component of your criminal justice system. So in this way you have to link one thing from the another. Okay, I hope you are getting. So here the application state will provide the vital, these things you can just read, it talks about all the things. The thing that you need to understand that it has three main products. Okay, this application, National Prison Informatics Information Portal, it has three main component. First thing is the e-prison this management information system. So it will used at the prison for the day-to-day regular thing and all the kind of administration. E-prison management information system are, here you can see prison information management system, and then visitor management system. Okay, so here e-prison, okay, e-prison management information system, it will include all the, you can say, information with respect to prison. Okay, so in prison there is a kind of information, and visitors came to prison. Okay, so that's why here we have the visitor management system, then hospital management system, e-hospital, then legal aid management system, inventory management system, okay, prison management system, police intelligence system, court monitoring system, kiosk information. So just try to understand and just try to remember that, okay, there are different components in it. Okay, so this is there, and apart from that the other features of this specific components are also there. You can read grievance redressal is there. Okay, so these are the components. Let me, okay, one second guys. So here you have the first component in the form of information management information system, means we are talking about NPIP, and in NPIP we have e-prison. This is not e-prison module is all about digitalization. Here we have e-prison management information system, which includes all these things. So you can use this thing as the fodder point. The another thing is NPIP. So NPIP, as we are talking about, it is a citizen centric portal showing the statistics, data and various prison in the country. Okay, so visitors can book their visit. Okay, you can just understand, you must have seen in the movies and all that. Okay, people are coming in front of this here you can see the kind of prison, and hero is there, and all those things you must be knowing about. So in that context you can just understand, visitor can book their visit request to meet the ward inside the prison through the portal. So NPIP will help in this. Grievance will with respect to their wards inside the prison can also submit it through the portal, and the portal also provides with the inmate tracking facilities in a secured way and all the things. So this is the work of NPIP. Okay, so these are the initiative. First thing is information system, and here we have this portal, and then we have Kara Bajar. What is this Kara Bajar? Kara Bajar. So here you must be knowing about this thing, that in prison there are judicial, you can say, judicial interventions, there are judgments with respect to this thing, that prison should not make human means they should not make a person non-person. ओके, सो पर्सन जो है वो नॉन पर्सन नहीं बनना चाहिए, सीधी बात ये है. देयर शुड बी द काइंड ऑफ, यू कैन से देयर इज अ काइंड ऑफ करेक्शनल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. लेट मी एड सम मोर एस्पेक्ट, सम मोर ट्विस्ट इन इट. देयर इज अ कॉन्सेप्ट कॉल्ड correctional administration in prison reforms. Correctional administration says this thing, that the prison, there should be the welfare of the convicts and the under trials. Whoever is there, means whoever is you can say in the court, in the jail per se, in the prison per se, there should be the welfare of these people. The second thing is rehabilitation of those who completed their, you can say, rehabilitation after the completion of the thing. So rehabilitation and reformation is there. And third thing is the participation or involvement of the people who are outside the, you can say, outside the, you can say, who are not in the prison, who are not convict or under trial. Means there should be the kind of, you can say, when these people came out of the you can say jail, they should not be treated like criminal. Otherwise there will be the phenomena called recidivism. What is this recidivism? Recidivism basically means that a person commits a crime, he goes to jail, and when he return, he again commit another crime, and again he goes to jail, and this is repeated crime is known as recidivism. So recidivism is the problem in our society because our system is retributory, it is not reformatory. Reformatory basically means that it should reform the person. Okay, but in reality what happens that when a person goes to jail, there is a kind of stigma, there is a kind of taboo associated with that. Even after the completion of the you can say that the entire journey in the jail, okay, after the return the person will face the kind of social stigma. People will say that ye to wahi hai. There is a kind of identity, there is a kind of you can say fear and other things are there. So it led to recidivism. So our system is retributory, there is a kind of retributory system, बदले की भावना से काम होता है. Dock's law, there is a concept called Jeremy Bentham's Dock's law. What is this Dock's law? Dock's law, this Dock's law basically suggests for example you have a dog, okay, or let's say there is a street dog, you will not reform that dog. When that dog do something, you can say let's say a dog is doing some any kind of thing that is not liked by you, what you will say? You will not reform that dog, you will beat that dog, and as a result the dog will have, there will be a kind of, you can say, you must be knowing about those in ethics, you must be knowing about that those categories of social influence and persuasion, where there is a kind of pairing of the things. Okay, so dog will have this tendency that okay, if I will do this thing, the person, the master will beat me, so he will avoid, the dog will avoid those things. Okay, this is a kind of social, and this is a kind of persuading technique, that how can you reform the attitude. So this is we are doing when it comes to our prison. Okay, we are basically there is a kind of retribution, बदले की भावना से काम होता है. ठीक है कि अब इन्होंने ये कर दिया, इन्होंने मर्डर कर दिया, क्राइम कर दिया, हीनियस क्राइम कर दिया, छोटा क्राइम, बड़ा क्राइम, whatever, but there is a kind of retributory system, but we should have the reformatory system, we should have the correctional administration in our in our prisons. Okay, so these are the keywords that you should write. And here what I was talking about is Kara Bazar. Kara Bazar, you must be knowing about this thing, that when people are there in the prison, they used to do something, you can say something like let's say they are doing, you must be knowing about, you must have seen those things, that okay, they are working for, you can say like in any field they are working like there. Okay, for example they are making some handicraft or something like that. So that particular thing that they are, you can say they are making their in their when they are in the jail, so that thing, those kind of products, when those products will be sold. Okay, so here you can see this Kara Bazar is a portal for showcasing and selling the products manufactured in various prison in the country, okay, by the by this inmates. Okay, so by the people who are there, so they are working. Okay, so वो कहते हैं ना चक्की की जेल में आटा पीसना पड़ता है. So that atta you can just consider, okay, that atta will come out from the prison and it will be sold out. Okay, so this is just an example, funny example kind of thing, cheap example, cheap quality example, but still you can understand that okay, they are making something, and that something, that product needs to be sold outside, and that thing is nothing but the Kara Bazar, means that thing will be sold in a portal called Kara Bazar. Okay, so there are some key features, you can just read out that okay, these are the key features, SMS alert and other things, not that important, there is no need to go deep into it, just try to understand that what is NPIP, what is e-prison management information system, what is e-prison module. I told you e-prison module is all about the digitalization of the different process of you can say that of prisons. Okay, for example bail thing is there and other things are there, and in that you can incorporate e-prison MIS as well. Okay, so this is all about the e-prison reforms, e-prison module and other things. I hope this will be helpful to you. Apart from that, there are many other things that are not that relevant. Just try to remember these keywords, e-prison MIS and all the things that I have told you apart from this. For example, correctional administration, Dock's law of Bentham's dog law is there. I told you that thing. I told you retributory, reformatory, correctional administration. These are the keywords that you should write when it comes to your examination. And as you can see, there are no keywords on your screen. So I will launch launch the magazine, in that you will get all those things in the form of diagrams and all. But as of now, if you don't want to purchase the magazine, you can use this video, you can make your notes from the video only. Okay, so this is it. And it is a kind of good news for you that only one news is there for your public administration optional. Other news are not relevant for your pub-ed as such. So this is it for the day. I hope this video is helpful for you. And for your linkage of public administration thinkers in prison reform, you can type on the YouTube prison reforms for public administration optional. You will get my video over there in the search result itself. Okay, so this is it for the day. I hope this video will help you in your preparation, and keep sharing the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this video. Any kind of feedback is always welcome. You can join the Telegram group as well. The link of the same is given in the description box, and the magazine's link for July, August and September edition is also given in the description box. This is it for the day, and have a nice day. Bye bye and take care.